In this video, we are going to show how to define and populate the columns in your recipe. The columns are where you identify the actual data elements that you want and actually populate your table. Surround an area on the target page with dashed border and gray fill color. That area contains the data you want to select in a single column. Move the mouse over different areas on any row. A dashed box will appear telling you which area you are selecting. When you think you found the column area, hold down the Shift key and the selected area will turn gray. At this point, you should see a gray box highlighting an area on the target page. That serves as a starting element for SmartMiner to help you find a column. Start by clicking the up and down arrow buttons in the Select Parent-Child section on the SmartMiner screen. You should see the gray area on the target page expand and shrink as you click the up and down arrow buttons. Keep in mind the gray area should cover only one column of data on a row. In this case, if you clicked up, the gray area now includes the price. That's not what you want. If you clicked up again, the gray area now includes the description. That's not what you want either. Click down twice until the gray area covers only the title. Once again, pay attention to the identifiers section on the SmartMiner screen. It tells you which HTML tag and CSS classes are used in the gray area. Click on the Aside HTML tag. The titles on every row are surrounded by green borders. You just told SmartMiner to select all of the Aside HTML tags as your column. Check the rest of the page to make sure only titles are surrounded by green boxes. If you cannot get the green boxes to surround the column you want, try selecting the adjacent HTML elements by clicking the up and down arrows in the Select Sibling Elements section. And sometimes you might want to select data other than text. For example, if you want to capture the source URL in an image, you can tell SmartMiner to capture specific data in the Extract section. Scroll to the bottom of the SmartMiner screen and preview the column. If the preview is not displayed, click the Preview tab. You should see a list of rows with a column populated with the data you selected. To add additional columns, click Add in the SmartMiner section of the screen. Repeat as needed.